Berry garden's pretty much cleaned up. Again, I'm building the wall right here, going straight back with a little gate for me to get in. So I'm gonna have to move the Nanking cherry, the red currant, and the white currant. But I cleaned out around all these lilacs. There's a million suckers in there. I cut all those. I know I might make them grow, but pretty much cleaned this all out very nicely. I'm gonna try to put flowers in here and maybe strawberries, see how it does. Gets the most sun. But it's pretty clean. Some little landscape rocks here. And I gotta build another wall from here, going straight over, probably to this tree right here. Just to block out the deer. But pretty much everything's cleaned up the way I want it. Still leaving leaf litter on everything. That's a Saskatoon berry. These are all blackberries or raspberries. It's blackberry raspberry patch. Blackberry. The birds need food. Blackberry. Honeyberry. These are all blueberries that I should probably pull out and buy new ones. Another currant. This was the white polar berry, but it's gone. We'll see if anything comes out of there. I don't think anything's going to. There is a little root there, actually. Or a stem, so that's good. What is this? Lemon balm. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Kind of happy. We'll see. I'll update you when I get walls and stuff up here. Cheers.